Oh, okay. Phew, this YouTube thing.
On part 5 of the E36 build, my friend becomes a YouTuber. The E36 gets an exhaust. This is why we did this swap. Just check my friend's reaction, man.
Oh, okay. Phew, this YouTube thing. DST is not here, so today we're going to put on an exhaust on this guy. How do you? Yeah, on this guy. Ooh, there's no light. Yeah, okay, well, the exhaust only ends somewhere down here, but you can't see, but it's just the manifold. So we're gonna just have a down pipe to the back. So here we are. Yeah, and I have to prep this car, remove the excess stuff, prepare it, get it on a trailer. So now I'm gonna go fetch the trailer. I'm gonna go fetch the trailer so that we can tow this guy. Yeah. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, let's go fetch the trailer. Oh, we have arrived. Oh, this weather is bad. Yo. Ha. So yeah, this is the setup. Hey. Where is it? Muna. Relax.
Oh, that is a higher thing.
Hey, boy. I don't know. Hopefully it works. Yeah? You don't think it's gonna fit? Okay, sure. Video update. This thing does not fit on the trailer. The trailer is too small. So this is plan B. Put straps. Unfortunately we don't have a tow hook, so we're just gonna strap it under the cross member. So we did test, it's barely even touching the radiator, and then it seems okay. Yeah, so I'm just gonna remove the trailer there and then just leave it here on the side, and then we'll just pull it with the buggy. Oye, Otto. Neto, eh. Neto, eh. Why did you long this? Namela van der Roof, what Lawana Noise Boys it.
Noise boys, it's next to.
It's on the right.
It's on the right.
Yeah.
Is it before folk or after folk?
I think after. It's not too far from after. Yeah, get after. Yeah. Kita betala bele sa so. Yo. Ka di brigits e feng. Ka di brigits e feng.
Aye, you must pull me back. Here stop.
Relax.
So then when I pull out your.
Yo cow.
Yeah.
Eka cow. Yo. Okay, let's go. It's all a gate. It's all is.
Oh,
Garage show.
tension on the roof.
Wait.
Just keep the tension on the roof, man.
What could go wrong? Yeah, the car does start, but it needs tuning and whatnot. So, yay! Da 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 da. Yee. Ashi! Hey! Go pila man! Oh! Yeah? Yeah, ikaw pili, iya. Uy. Yeah, Aisha. We're pushing this thing, yeah. Yes. Follow the bra, follow the bra. Ay. Hanyalah hanya nih. Hanyalah hanya.
Ama itu kendini kurduğu keyini kurduğu. Ama ya gari French.
Yeah.
Ya, agar dari ke transit mo feda.
Yeah.
Ya, dite dili tuso. Heli fitamu. Dikira two in one. Dikira taka two in
Two in
one.
one.
Agar wano nyaga mu nyaga sound nadia pay.
Yeah.
Ya, two in one mu kya ko. Kichiaga one ge. Fitamu. Kichiaga ka one. Agichuru nyaga ko morao itwega marega setwega double. Nyaga twega double.
Shnigri bala double, wait.
Double.
Double. Yeah.
야, 나는 살는 살았지, tago 원 살아. 오늘 나고 기다려 하피서 코노 빠테 있다고.
The trailer plan was a fail. It was a fail. Ay. So I had to hook the trailer back myself. One mega, I'm kidding. Yeah, so this thing was bad. So I had to get one of my neighbors to help me just hook this thing up. So I'm just gonna take it back now. The car is at the shop now, being ready to be worked on. I'm sure they're working on it now. So yeah, now I'm just gonna take back this trailer. Yeah, I'm tired. That's it. Hey boys, hey YouTube. I hope you don't put this putty in. Mo ke filmela wena, brag. Mo filmela wena. Yeah, I just dropped off the trailer. I'm on my way back to the shop to just go check up on the progress. Yeah. Yeah, and I also forgot something inside the car, so I'm just gonna quickly fetch that, chill for like 5 minutes and see what's going on. And yeah, it's raining. Yeah, it's pouring. It's pouring. Yeah, I look tired. Whew. Oh. We're back. Sure. It's Amavia.
Guys, shout out to my bro. He's doing such a fantastic job recording for me. Like, shout out to him, bro. He's becoming a YouTuber, low-key. And guys, if you're enjoying the video, please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And bro, like, it's so amazing that we actually got this far with the E36. And stay tuned. You're actually gonna watch him drive it home. But thanks for watching. I appreciate you so much.
Oh, not beleza. 네.
Marpatay patay ka basu. Patay. Aku masih luar rakyat patay na ta kumera.
Good morning, my fair too. It's the next day. The car's not here. I'm not used to this outro stuff. So what happened was the car is halfway done. So I requested for my Uberlo to come fetch me. You don't know what's Uberlo? I'll show you now. It's on the way. I requested. So then we're just gonna go there, that side, to just check up on how things are going. And then yeah, there's a small surprise. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. So I'm just gonna grab a few tools to actually you'll see. Yeah, you'll see. Yeah, let me just pack the tools before the Uber load gets here. It feels weird. Oh, empty. And mind you, the car does not leak oil. This is from me draining the oil, and then I spilled a few here. Yeah, so yeah, let me just get a few stuff now.
no tongue on your left. Yeah. Looks nice from the front.
Uber low.
Yeah.
Low. Anyway,
Come on.
yeah, the number one. Yeah, markable like a mala. No, it's for me. For me. What's the one? Kasi. Yeah, Kasi. Oh, van the rope for the leg. Van the pop.
Oh.
The next one.
How's the brag?
Rada ushen nada.
Ah,
Poliao it's a Braga punta
It's genuine.
Heke wala kantsira ke tsuba go le. Heke wala kantsira. Ku tsiste bya go sirile go yena.
Na ke re o tswa maybe o ya tla latlhelao. Nana mnya bona o buleya. Ana go re go mama o bre.
Apaga para sitlo. Kula ena sitlo.
Ena sitlo.
Ana sitlo. From this end life.
Por culo ya. Hay que recoger ne bar ya. Queri grainer. No por. After YouTube video.
Oh!
To bar culo ya queri grainer.
It go famous from that video. Uno one graina feo ato la
Ya
pa.
no bar culo ya ni sitlo.
La ini. Shire. Ya.
Persona ahí.
Ya ona. Oke, nanya ke biar rapanya. Ke biar rapanya no.
Ya, itu di bem.
Oh, ke biar.
Ya, masih lah masih.
It's off.
Masih dah.
Okay, so yeah, I came here to drop off a few things to Nevarinyaga.
Yeah.
No, off to the next location. This is the
Yeah,
fun part. This is the
no
fun
que
part.
mushelo goloi.
Hey. Ashigoloi, they're almost done. Bailo feita. Litava moço eu não ferida, mano. Eu não ferida, chibile ra bona. Avo. Nerta só. I'm back. So here's the surprise. Get busy, gajul. Here's the surprise. I'm gonna attempt to drive this car today home. It's not a good idea, but yeah. Thing is, Kiwan, I don't have money. Who's gonna tow me? So I'm gonna drive it. Wish me luck. And you know the owner of this YouTube channel, he still doesn't know that I have this on the car. Yeah. Lenale wanna pay. We're lapi. Yo. Ninja. Erke chave before esta motele. Oh, aqui tem algo de atenção. Tem algo de atenção. Ah, sawa.
mo pala ke go finish up mo medical to wa ka o mo ferro
Yo, wana. Wasta ka mo siling. Eish. I have no mirror. I can analyze it. I can I don't even know if I have brakes. And this thing sounds nice, perfect. Not too bad. It's good loud. Shit! What? Oh shit, I don't have brakes! Hey, I gotta breathe your face! Yo! This does not feel safe at all. What? Ay. Look. I just think sounds nice. Power delivery is not smooth. No brakes. It's my tag. Gearbox is okay, it's responding okay. Clutch is good. Look, the laminate jump. That was not safe. But that is nice. There's the exhaust. Yeah, nothing too crazy. Yeah. Home sweet home in one piece. That was fun, I won't lie. Hope you guys enjoyed.